Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix iPhone volume button is not working. So to enable it, if your iPhone volume button are not working, the first thing to try is enabling assistive touch. Open settings and scroll down and select accessibility. Tap on touch and then select assistive touch and turn on assistive touch. Now use assistive touch to adjust volume. Once enabled, an icon will appear on the screen. You can adjust the custom actions like single tap volume up, double tap volume down, and you can adjust this as you like. Now the third fix is to check your iPhone case. Sometimes a faulty case may interfere with the volume buttons. Try removing it and then inserting it. Now the fourth fix is to check volume in control center. If the volume button is still not responding, check if the volume slider works in the control center. Swipe down from the top right corner and adjust the volume using the slider. And if the slider works, it means your volume buttons are not working. The fifth fix is to force restart your iPhone. To do this, press volume up button once, down once, hold the side button until the Apple logo appears and restart your device. You can also do it with the settings. Go to settings, go to general, scroll down and tap on shutdown and shut down your device. And the last fix is to visit a service center. If the problem persists, there may be a hardware issue with your iPhone. Consider taking to a service center for further diagnosis and repair.